Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons. Today we are going to discuss about the most important strategies and tips to crack any type of banking exams, whether it's related to prelims or mains. So let's start. To any type of exam, whether it's related to public sector unit or banking exam or any private exam, hard work and smart work are very essential. A list of preparation tips and strategies ensure smart work and enable the candidate to follow a mechanism in devising an effective exam study plan. SP Lessons has made a sincere effort to provide a list of well researched and practiced tips to crack any exam. So let's start it. Before entering into the technical session, we are providing some general tips. So, tip number 1, it's planning. To crack any exam, we first need to fix a fixed planning. It is a primary step for any exam. If you do not plan your preparation for any exam correctly, you make a terrible mistake. Through study program, you will know about that you can complete all topics and you can also give more time to your weak areas. Many students ask this question here: how many days required to prepare for any exam? It totally depends on your skill, how much you want to make for it. So, start as soon as possible your planning to crack the particular exam. And tip number 2, time management tips. You should divide your time into all subjects. Pay attention more for your delicate items. It is a not best practice that you spend your most of the time for an individual topic. Plan for every subject topic, checks the complete list of syllabus topics first. And time also plays a significant role in exam. Also divide time correctly for all sections, otherwise you will leave many questions in the exam. So, tip number 3, step by step preparation. The topic wise study is a recommended tip for any type of exam. If you ask a question to any topper, he'll definitely say the success secret of his any type of exam is step by step preparation. You should focus on a single topic at a time. Do not follow multiple topics at the same time. And number 4, update yourself. Increase your 4 core skills: reading, writing, listening and speaking. Don't perform just like a reading machine. You should have acted in all other activities such as improve English grammar, reading newspapers, magazines, watching news channels and other general knowledge, current affairs books enhance your overall awareness. Coming to tip number 5, follow practice makes perfect rule. You should have practiced with lot of mock test as much as you can in real time, and also try model paper of exam to get exact idea about the exam plus type of paper. This practice also clears your self judgment for all subjects, that how much you prepared for that. Tip number 6, study material. It is an essential part of your preparation that you have perfect means, complete and error-free exam preparation material. For these books are the best source. You should buy some of the best other books and previous year papers and question papers in which you find complete knowledge with their prediction for relevant topics of the upcoming exam. Tip number 7, notes for revision. It is a time saving strategy for any exam that you make useful notes like shortcuts, formulas, tricks and important points on a separate sheet for last time preparation. By doing this, you save your time in searching notes here and there for last time revision It will be very helpful to you up to examination hall. Focus on it. So coming to last tip 8, expert advice. You can also join coaching or any institute for an expert view, where you find the professionals of any exam. They'll give you better approach for the present exam and help you to make a proper study man. And the last step, feel free. You should have to go for preparation strategy with an open mind. Concentrate on your goal. Does not think about your personal and family issues at that time. Stop thinking about the result. Just focus on the way. Keep yourself calm on exam days. Eat healthy food and sleep well. All toppers are made not by birth. Best of luck. Hope this session at least help you to maintain a proper guidance to crack some exams. And in the upcoming sessions we are going to discuss about the technical session preparation strategies and tips. For any type of technical guidance, you can write and you can follow our learning platform SP Lessons, and you can follow us on Facebook. So thank you.